Hi guys, Martin the Vlogger here from MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, your #1 place in the world for Can-Am Spyder and Ryker parts. Today, very fast video about installation on our brand new product, windshield riser for Can-Am Spyder F3-T, F3 Limited and F3 Limited Special Series. And of course, you can buy it on our shop in a section of Spyder F3 windshield section. Now, enough of this bullshit. Let's get started. As for the product from Martin the Vlogger, you will get 2 windshield risers, brackets like this, made out of aluminium, hardware with end caps and bolts. This is all you need. And for the installation, you will need screwdriver with bits, Torx 25, and bit like this, size 3. Installation is plug and play, most probably something like 5 minutes. Top tip, before you remove the windshield, make sure you know where to place it because you don't want to scratch it. So first thing, T25 and remove 4 bolts. Now take the windshield riser and put it like this on your bike. So with this cut facing outer side of your bike. Take 4 provided bolts and put it where your windshield was hooked up before. I'm not using Loctite, but in case you want, feel free to use the yellow one. And now just make it nice and tight. Now have your windshield ready with 4 bolts that you have had there before, including the washers. We will need to put it on the brackets and into this area. Maybe you will need to kind of stretch a little, just a tiny bit, the windshield. And how I use it, have your end caps and washers ready from the provided plastic bag. And before I'll insert the bolt, I put a washer. So how it goes: windshield, washer, bracket, and the end cap. That's it. Stretch it a tiny bit. There we go. Now I will insert washers one by one. Put it back on. Now the end caps, just put it from the other side of the bracket. If you have it done correctly, the end cap will be nicely in the bracket. And of course, one last rule, do not over tighten your screws. Because otherwise you will damage your windshield. So this is it from the installation. We have it on all our F3 Limited that we have in tour and rental agency, toursont3.com. So in case you would like to ride Europe on 3 wheels, toursont3.com. We use it with the Freedom windshields, but it will work with the OEM windshields as well. And it will raise your windshield between 1 centimeter as a minimum, which is 0.4 inches, up to 2.3 inches, which is 6 centimeters. Guys, thank you very much for watching. In case you like what I do, subscribe, like, hit the notifications on. And remember, buy yourself a windshield riser from MartinTheVlogger.com/shop or not. And always have fun.